So my father went to Prasar Lake trekking with his colleagues. So please watch this video.
Hi, it is all get set go for Prasar Lake trekking. With enjoying fun, excitement, we all started to Prasar Lake trekking and see the enjoyment started once we get into the bus. All were enjoying themselves with fun and singing songs and all get ready for next day morning how to get into the trekking in the Prasar Lake. And now it's all the night enjoy and started to Mandi. After 2 to 3 hours of journey, people want to refresh themselves. So we have to halt for a cup of tea. We halted at where? Yes, at Garam Dharam restaurant. Let's go inside and see how it is and have a sip of tea. See, this is the entrance of the Garam Dharam restaurant. We are going inside the restaurant and all the people, we had a sip of tea here, then get back to our bus and our journey started again. Now it's early morning, we are just reaching the Mandi, and from Mandi we have to reach our base camp located at Buggy. From the Buggy where we need to start our trekking. So we are just waiting when we can start our trekking, and finally we could reach our Buggy camp. And here we freshen up ourselves and had our breakfast and tea and tighten up our belts to start for the trekking. And all people are ready now to start our trekking, and now we are ready for trekking, and the trekking started now for Prasar Lake. It was not so easy and so not difficulty. The trekking was, and all people started with full energy, and slowly we analyzed that trekking was not so easy. It was very steep and we have to go through the forest, and we slowly started trekking, and we saw the first time this ice, snow on the mountains, and we were excited with it. And we had a lunch break at the top of the mountain, and then again started our trekking back. And this all the snow mountains in betweens where we have to walk through. And finally we could able to see lot of snow mountains, surroundings, beauty of the nature which can't be expressed. And here is the snow which you can see in my hand. And finally at the evening we could able to reach our camp at the top of Prasar Lake, and it's a fire because it was a chilled, very much chilled of -7 degrees. And in the morning of 25th we all started to have a visit to Prasar Lake from our camp at Krishna camp, where we have to halt on 24th night in the tents. And we all started to see the Prasar Lake, and in between the journey to the Prasar Lake, which is a walkway of around 3 kilometers, there was lot of snow, very beautiful sceneries, and we could see lot of snow mountains from the place where we are walking through. And we all are excited with these sceneries, beautiness of the nature. And long you can see these are the snow mountains we could see from the place we are walking through the Prasar Lake. And it cannot be expressed. The feeling has to be. And this is a valley, and one side is valley and one side is mountains, and we have to go through all these things. And here the people are excited, Ranju and Gomte. And here you see the back side, the snow mountains, and the track also has a snow on it, and the back of it also snow mountains. And it's very good sceneries, and everything was captured in the videos and mobiles. And they see the backside, the snow mountains, all the pine trees surrounded, and the track where we have to walk. And these are our dogs, which they have shown us a path to climb. They were with us till we reached the top from bottom of the base camp. And finally, now we have reached the Prasar Lake. See, this is the Prasar Lake now. Now finally we could able to reach the Prasar Lake after the hectic journey in the bus and trekking. Now we are on to the final destination, that is Prasar Lake. Now we're going near to the Prasar Lake to view it and also to visit the Prasar Lake and Rishi Prasar's temple. And this is the Rishi Prasar's temple. It was understood it is made of a single wood. And this is the 3-level pagoda level type of temple. It was a 3-level pagoda type of tower. It was made as a temple for Rishi Prasar. And this is the Prasar Lake, which is the shape of elbow. It was known that Bhim, Lord Bhima, has visited here and had a dent in this place with his elbow, which made this lake. That's what they say, thus this lake is in the shape of elbow, and in the center of this lake it is having an island. This is the island which moves from one end to other end in a slow pace, which can be known only the people who visited repeated times or the people residing in Prasar Lake. And this is the inside the temple of Rishi Prasar. It's very small temple. All is made of wood. And here we go. Here is the Rishi Prasar. Rishi Prasar is grandson of Vasishtha, and his father is Vedavyas, who had written the Mahabharata. So now we are coming out of the temple, and this curvature, everything is very much made with wood. And the view from this place is very good, and the nature beauty is fantastic. You can see the Prasar Lake. And we are now going to one more trip of this temple, and now coming out of the temple now. Here the priest is giving prasada to them, and we came out of the temple now. tower of the temple. Now we want to climb that hill now. Once the we visits, this temple is completed. Now we are going for a photo shoot at top of that hill, and we had a nice picture to be taken from top of that hill and with backdrop of Prasar Lake, and the view was very fantastic. And see, from top of the hill you can see the Prasar Lake. We had a picture from top of this hill with backdrop of Prasar, and he is our guide for the tour, Himanshu. And again we want to go to the further trekking of the hill. That is the top of the hill. The total height of this Prasar Lake trekking is around 9,000 feet from the sea level, and some of us has gone to the top of that hill. That is a final hill from where the sceneries are furthermore beauty, and still that is the furthermore we are boarding that. We will be going top of that hill now. See, already people are going there, and the top is the final, and now we have came up to the top of the hill here. See, from here another hill is there. We are climbing to that hill also. From here now we are boarded. See, from here you can see the Prasar Lake now. This is the highest peak where we can go, and now we are coming back from this. Now we came back for boarding the bus to get back to the base camp at Buggy. Now boarded this bus and started back to reach Buggy camp. When we have reached the Buggy camp, from here we boarded our bus and came back to Gurugram the next day morning. Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share and subscribe to Kira Kaki and click on the bell icon. Stay tuned to more updates by clicking the bell icon. Bye bye.